We start off with breaking news on Oracle's latest data center plans. The stock higher after hours following a 4% drop during the regular session. Mackenzie Sagales has got all the details. Mac.
Mel, OpenAI, SoftBank, and Oracle have just unveiled 5 more Stargate sites, stretching across Texas, New Mexico, Ohio, and then an undisclosed destination in the Midwest. We're also getting a revised spend here that brings the size of the initiative to nearly 7 gigawatts and more than $400 billion of investment over the next 3 years. Now, these blockbuster deals have already fueled massive stock gains, but one of Oracle's new CEOs told me that he is not worried about the market overheating.
We see a broad-based demand across a huge swath of the industry. So it's not just from any one individual place that we're seeing this demand coming from. And as this kind of continues through, I don't worry about a bubble because I see committed demand for it. And also, the other thing I would say is, Oracle's not just in the infrastructure business. We're also in the application business, so we're also consumers of this technology.
Now, those comments echo what I heard from OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, who told me that this scale of construction is the only way to keep up with AI's explosive growth.
And this is what it takes to deliver AI. AI, unlike previous technological revolutions or previous versions of the internet, there's so much infrastructure that's required. And this is a small sample of it.
Sam also telling me that OpenAI's trajectory so far only underscores the need for even more compute.
With what we see on the horizon for how much people are going to want to use this and what the quality of intelligence, the level of intelligence we can deliver with more compute, we're very confident at this point we're going to need much, much more compute to deliver on that.
And this comes just one day after the NVIDIA OpenAI $100 billion partnership announcement. And yes, NVIDIA and Oracle both closed lower. I'm looking at those stocks. They are both moving higher after hours. So really answering that question that, yes, this latest deal is looking like it is reigniting that AI trade as investors chase anything tied to OpenAI. Mel?
How are they going to power all this, Mac?
That's the question I've been asking today. And Sam Altman has long been an advocate of nuclear power. He helped a startup called Oklo go public through a SPAC. And so that is one option that they're turning toward. But Sam and Sarah Fry are both telling me that more than close to 800 partners across North America have approached them about potential facilities to host them. So here in Texas, we're talking about renewable energy. We're talking about grid power. That is not enough because, Mel, a key distinction here, that's 7 gigawatts we're talking about. That is additive to the NVIDIA announcement. So we're talking about 17 gigawatts in total. This is an unprecedented build out that is going to require the kind of power we haven't seen the likes of in a very long time in terms of U.S. infrastructure build.